Let's do this with me here. 4 movements, 30 seconds apiece, 4 total minutes. You're gonna start here with the dumbbell in your hand on the right side. You're gonna drop back into a lunge on that side, and then you're gonna step up, clean the dumbbell up to your shoulder, and go into a side lunge. You're gonna work that same side the whole way through, okay? So we'll rest briefly in between and go do it on the other side. Are you ready, timer?
Ready.
All right, here we go. Give me the countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
So nice and smooth, clean it up to the shoulder, catch it, and get into that lateral lunge. Try to keep that back leg straight. Time. Switch it up, other side. Here we go. Step over here, down. And try to keep that back leg straight. Time. Next one. Now we work the posterior chain a bit. So we're gonna do a swing, one arm at a time, hip back, hinge, come up to the top. You get about 15 seconds rest in between exercises. Grab the dumbbell, straight through. Pop the hips. Sit back into the hinge. The goal here is to try to hit our entire body in just 4 minutes. Other side. Drop down. Now, I follow that dumbbell down to the ground. And this time, we're now gonna do something for the core. These are Russian twists. But to do this, you wanna actually row your arm back to the side here. Don't tap them down side to side. Row your arm back and then press that dumbbell up overhead with each one. We work one side at a time. Ready? Row it, press, row, press, row. You sure you don't want to do this, Jesse?
Oh, I'm very sure.
Row it. Row. Row. Woo! Same thing. Feet are down. Grab the dumbbell. 2 hands. You ready?
Ready.
Drop. Working on shoulders, upper chest, core. There's another one of those NSFW workouts. If you don't have the visual going on, people might wonder what you're watching. Last exercise. It is a Renegade row into a push-up done one side at a time. You have to crank out quite a few push-ups here. In position. Ready? Working back. Of course, the push-up. Time. Last one. Just over the other side. Give yourself about 20 seconds here. You got more push-ups coming. And work the other side. Dig in. Let's finish strong. Here we go. On you, Jesse.
Ready?
Give me the time. Oh. So the number of rounds, guys, is up to you. I would recommend if you're a beginner, grab just 5-pound dumbbells or even none just to feel the movements as you work towards the intermediate range. Grab 10s or 15s, and as you get to the more advanced stage, grab 20s, 25s, or even up. The fact is, the heavier you grab, the more work your body's gonna be doing to go through these motions, and the more calories you will burn. To that end, 4 minutes is not gonna be good enough if we're looking to burn a significant amount of calories. Take that rest in between, about 3 minutes between rounds, and drop the weight down that you use each subsequent round so that we can encourage multiple rounds of this, 2, 3, and maybe even 4. If you're looking for programs where we map out everything for you, we have the nutrition mapped out day by day, along with the conditioning workouts and the strength training workouts as well. You can find them over at ATHLEAN-X.com. If you found the video helpful, leave your comments and thumbs up below. Make sure you check out the video I link at the end of this one to see just how important those other 23 hours are outside the gym. And guys, if you haven't done so, make sure you click subscribe and turn notifications so you never miss a new video when we're putting out. All right, guys, good luck. See you soon.